So we're going to get into the actual creation of the ad. We've got our campaign set up for page likes. We've created our audience for page likes. We can't edit the placement. It's going to be in the news feed automatically. And so again, we're not going to publish this quite yet. So then we want to go to our actual ads. So if we haven't gone over this already, you've got these tabs here where you can look at all your campaigns, the ad sets, so Northwest Ohio following, and then the actual ads themselves. So we could have multiple ad sets and multiple ads for this one page likes campaign. And that's definitely a strategy that you can get into, and we might get into at a later point in time. But we've created one campaign, one ad set, and now we're going to actually get into edit this ad for this site. I'm just going to go ahead and publish this so it gets going. Continue. I haven't put in a payment yet, that's why. Yes, we know it might not run. Okay, let's get back into edit this. So here we can edit our ad name. I don't know why this is saying this. Oh, it's because of the picture I'm using. So this is a good time to mention this. Facebook really monitors your pictures that you use and the amount of text that you use in these pictures. So the reason I'm getting this warning right now, and they used to not give you this warning. You used to have to publish your ad and then it would get rejected, or you'd see really bad performance. Now they start warning you, which is kind of nice. But you can see I've got a lot of text. It's really not a lot of text, but it takes up a good amount of the picture. So Facebook actually doesn't like that, and you've got to use a picture that has very little text. And there's an actual ratio that they use that I don't remember off the top of my head. So, but we're in the middle of editing this. Like CBGS for Great Info is the name. We're running it on that page. They do have templates and things like that you can use now, which that might help. So one of the first things I want to do, because I know this picture has too much text, is I'm going to edit the image. So we're going to go to change image, and I've only got one. You can use stock images that are already a part of your page. So I might do that. Let's just pick this one here. Or you can upload a new picture. The key again is, does the picture illustrate, does it capture attention? Does it illustrate what you're trying to accomplish? And so I just want to get this on here. This isn't the picture I would use, but I just want to show you how to change that. You can crop that image. So again, we could edit this, crop it to where we want it to be. We can go with the original, which is actually probably what I would want to do. There we go. That's much better. And you can check out what it would look like on a desktop feed or on a mobile feed, and both of them look okay. So again, that's not a particular image I would really use, but you want to pick a image and picture or graphic that again catches attention, illustrates or shows what you're trying to get across. The key is here in the text, and this is why we've already done so much work on identifying our audience. What is the pain or problem or issue that we're solving for them, and how do we get their attention? So in our ad creation that we did the last couple of weeks, we really worked on headlines. And this is where it comes into play even in digital, because your first line has to grab attention. Your picture, your headline has to grab the attention of your ideal audience and pull them in. So this is just text that it's pulling in from my about information on my page. But I would obviously edit this. Now this is a like campaign. I'm trying to get people to like and follow my page. So what reason am I giving them to do that? First, I want to grab the attention of the people I want to follow my page. So I could just do something as simple as, hey business owners. I could get a little bit more specific by saying, hey motivated and hungry business owners. So I'm just yelling at, hey, you're my target audience. And then I'm gonna, tell them what I want them to do. So, or a good way to do this is with an if-then statement. So if you're looking for the most effective business growth information, then like and follow our page. Okay, again, I would work a little bit more into this. I want you to work a little bit more into a great headline, interest building benefits. So I would again, I would probably put some bullet points on here of, why should they like my page. Maybe we can do some emoji symbols or something to put some bullet points in here. Trying to anyway, if it lets me. We can just do a dash for how to generate more leads, increase conversion rates. Okay, so I'm going to give some interest building benefits, and then maybe again another call to action like today for the latest info. Okay, again, I'm doing this real quick just to show you how to do this. You're going to take the ads that you've created for print and kind of convert that same information to here. Now here's another more advanced feature that we'll get into later, where we can actually track the effectiveness of our ad. We're going to talk about pixels and things like that in another video, but I just wanted you to see how to actually set up and create this ad. Oh, why does it keep doing that? It's not going to let me publish this because I don't have my payment information set up. So I might do this later because it won't let me get this off here. So in the bottom, in other ads, we actually have the opportunity to edit this information here, but it's pulling it off of our page because it's a like ad. It doesn't. It's just pulling our name and our about information and getting people to like. So that's what we've got. So that's the steps to create your ad. In the other ad formats that we're going to get into, like lead generation and site traffic and those kind of things, we've got a few more features that we're going to go over next week. The only other thing I want to show you, and I'm going to show you this in tomorrow's video, because I want you to just get this ad created today. But in tomorrow's video, I'm going to give you a little bit of a Facebook hack that if you just need to generate some fast, quick likes for your page, I'm going to show you kind of a tricky hack way to do that in tomorrow's video. So, but today, set up your page likes ad, and we'll call it a day.